Hey there, America. John Oliver here, and tonight's show is brought to you by tariffs. Yeah, those pesky little import taxes are back in the news, and this time they're messing with our beloved gadgets. Remember when President Trump slapped those tariffs on goods from all over the world? Well, those tariffs are still making waves, especially in the tech world. See, a lot of the components that make our phones smart and our consoles fun to use come from different parts of the globe. And when those parts get hit with tariffs, guess what? Prices go up. It's like ordering a pizza and then getting charged extra for the pepperoni. Except in this case, the pepperoni is essential, and the pizza is your new iPhone. So buckle up, folks, because we're diving deep into the wild world of tariffs, tech, and the global economy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Remember when you could buy a decent smartphone without needing a second mortgage? Yeah, those days might be over, thanks to tariffs. Those little taxes can add up fast, making your favorite gadgets pricier than ever. We're talking iPhones pushing past the $1,000 mark, gaming consoles costing more than a weekend getaway, and even those knockoff headphones from the gas station getting a price bump. It's enough to make you want to chuck your phone into the ocean and go live in a yurt. But before you ditch your digital life, let's look at how companies are trying to avoid these tariff troubles. Spoiler alert, it's not always pretty. So, how are tech giants dealing with these tariff-induced headaches? Well, they're getting creative, that's for sure. Some companies like Apple are trying to shift their manufacturing to other countries. Think Vietnam, India, even back to the good old US of A. But moving production isn't as easy as hitting copy and paste on a spreadsheet. It takes time, money, and a whole lot of logistical acrobatics. Other companies are trying to eat the cost of tariffs, hoping to keep their customers happy and their market share intact. But let's be real, folks, those price hikes are gonna trickle down eventually. It's just a matter of time. This whole tariff thing isn't just about your next phone upgrade. Oh no, it's way bigger than that. We're talking global economic impact, folks. Think trade wars, potential recessions, and enough economic jargon to make your head spin. And what about us, the humble consumers caught in the crossfire? Well, we're left with some tough choices. Pay more for the latest gadgets, make do with our current tech, or maybe even embrace the retro lifestyle and dust off our old flip phones. The future of tech is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, tariffs are shaking things up and we're all along for the ride.